Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you a crochet tops. This is so beautiful tops. You can see so many flowers over here. Very colorful. I love all colors. And this tops made by Malai Cordian. I love Malai Cordian because Malai Cordian is very strong and so shiny. That's why I love this yarn. So you can see so many flowers. So if you know how to do crochet, you can see and you can make these tops. And if you want to buy anything in crochet, you can check to my description box below. Over here I put my shop link, Mom and Dad Crochet. So if you want, you can order it. I'll ship in within 2 days. Within 2 days in USA, but another country is a little bit longer, like 5 or 6 days. I hope you like these tops too, because it's really pretty. So if you know how to do crochet, you can make it for yourself. Or if you want to business, you can make it and you can sell in your Facebook page, or if you have shop, you can sell on your shop too. And please subscribe my channel for getting new video, new product. Because I'm a businesswoman, so I can show you a lot of items in crochet, so you'll love it. So if you subscribe my channel, you can see my all update video.